Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be hooking up this pedal commander on this Porsche. It's going to be the same procedure on how to hook this up with any vehicle that they actually have the pedal commander for. I just want to explain to you guys the pedal commander. Basically, you can control the throttle response for vehicles that have electronic throttles. So I'm going to show you guys how to hook this up. All right, so you can see I actually got it unplugged already, but if you look behind the accelerator pedal, you're gonna find a wiring harness like this one. This one was actually right behind here, and I was able to get a screwdriver on the other side while pushing the clip, and then I was able to pull it up without having to remove the pedal. If you are having a lot of trouble, you might need to unscrew it. This one has one bolt right here. You can take it out and you'll be able to see it a lot easier. But basically what you do is you take one end of the pedal commander, that's gonna go into the factory harness, and then the other end is gonna go right onto the accelerator pedal, and then we'll be good to go. So let me go ahead and get that hooked up. All right, so I'm gonna try to get this in here for you guys. You can see one side is connected to the pedal commander on this one, and the other one goes in the original harness right there. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. Go ahead and start the car. All right, here's the pedal commander, and you can see it lights up. Right now it looks like it's on sport mode, and a bunch of different settings here that you can adjust to get the correct throttle position that you want that works for you. I do gotta say, this thing is no joke. Right now I have it in Sport Plus and then the Plus 4, which it's like way too aggressive. There's like literally no delay in the vehicle at all when you hit the gas, and it's just feels like a lot more power. I don't think it makes the car any faster, but it definitely takes off a lot quicker because it eliminates that delay. So for me, after going through the test, I would leave it probably in sport mode and maybe at like +1 or +2. It's still a little aggressive, but that's something I can live with and drive with. If you just want to switch it to normal driving, you can go to city, and then they also have eco mode, which I haven't tested out yet, but that's like boring mode. And then also the sport button or the Sport Plus, I believe it doesn't really do anything at this point since this takes over. And then there's also an app you can download so you can just control all the settings from your phone. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.